Hello everyone, I am Aliyah Mitch Escarlan. Are you guys ready to know about the trending technology? So today we're gonna talk about the edge computing. So let's start. Formerly a new technology trend to watch, cloud computing has become mainstream with major players, AWS or Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution, but it's no longer the emerging technology trend. Edge is. As the quantity of data organization is dealing with continues to increase, they have realized the shortcomings of cloud computing in some situations. Edge computing is designed to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to data center for processing. So, do you want to learn more? Here's Antonio Miguel Pagaduan to discuss more about the edge computing. Bye, guys!
Thank you, Miss Aliyah Mitch Escarlan. Again, I'm Del Rosario Antonio, and I will discuss the continuation of the introduction. It can exist on the edge, if you will, closer to where computing needs to happen. For this reason, edge computing can be used to process time-sensitive data in remote location with limited or no connectivity to a centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data centers. Edge computing will increase as use of the Internet of Things devices increases. By 2022, the global edge computing market is expected to reach 6.72 billion. And this new technology trend is only meant to grow and nothing less, creating various jobs, primarily for software engineers. The origin of edge computing can be traced back to Atomized Content Delivery Network in the 1990s, which stands for CDN. The concept back then was to put nodes in places that were closer to the end user, geographically for the transmission of catched material like photographs and videos. Thank you. And the next reporter is Jay Mendoza.
Hi guys, my name is RJL Mendoza. So for today's video, I discussed the cloud reliability engineer. So as with many new endeavors, it takes some initial planning and setup before a company can run reliability verification flows in the cloud. The process will vary depending on the tools involved and the cloud service provider used, as will the benefits gained. The choice of a cloud provider and cloud service model depends on the needs and the budget of the company. It is important to clearly understand the requirements, limitation, and cost of the cloud computing to make intelligent cost-benefit decisions when adopting these technology options. So for our next blogger is Mr. Ian Engada.
Thank you, Mr. Mendoza. Hi, I am Engada, and I'm going to explain about infrastructure engineering. Infrastructure engineer include being responsible for designing, building, deploying, and maintaining the IT infrastructure using latest technology. Infrastructure engineer includes working with internet connection, cabling, virtualization, platforms, and storage area networks. What comes under infrastructure engineer? IT infrastructure includes various operational areas that usually require specific knowledge and skill sets, including server management, storage management, security management, IT help desk, application support, IT asset management, monitoring, and maintenance.
Thank you, Mr. Engada. Again, I am Mark Noel Ala, and I'm here to discuss to you about the Cloud and Security Architect. What does the responsibilities of Cloud and Security Architect? The Cloud and Security Architect is the one who is responsible to build, design, and install security systems for cloud-based computing data storage systems. Their duties include assessing and testing existing cloud computing security systems and creating firewalls, improving network security, and encrypting data to secure the system further. What does cloud architect do and who's the cloud architect? A cloud architect is an IT professional who's responsible for overseeing companies' cloud computing strategies. This includes cloud adoption plans, cloud application designs, and cloud management and monitoring. And what does security architect do? Security architects are managed level individuals who oversee the security of organization's network. These professionals are needed when the network is first designed, built, and implemented, as well throughout the entire life of the network. Our next reporter is Amos Asis, reporting DevOps Cloud Engineering.
Hi guys, my name is Amos Asis and I will be discussing DevOps Cloud Engineering. So what is DevOps Cloud Engineering? DevOps is short for Development and Operations, and DevOps have become the bridge of software development and engineering teams to assist them for their services and software application to be delivered faster. And DevOps are they protected the cloud from hackers or viruses by their coding and especially developing secure software. DevOps Cloud Engineer is one of the hardest jobs in IT cloud services. Job responsibilities of DevOps engineer include finding new opportunities for automation, utilizing automated configuration tools like Chef and Puppet, maintaining and deploying web-based application, monitoring security issues, and measuring performance against expected business outcomes. Because a DevOps cloud engineer must be responsible for developing and operation software application. That's all, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.